You're looking to lose some body fat and you're confused. How do I do it? Where do I get started? I've been in your shoes before too. And let me tell you, it is simpler than you think. Today we're going to show you how diets work and how to lose body fat. First thing I want you guys to take a look at is this picture right here. All of these diets that you see on the internet work because they all will have you in a calorie deficit at the end of the day. What that means is you are putting in less calories into your body from food than what your body is burning the entire day. Now that you know how diets work, you may ask, Max, how do I get into a calorie deficit? Let me explain. The average person burns roughly 2,000 calories a day. So in order for me to maintain my weight, I need to eat roughly 2,000 calories a day because that's what I burn. Now, let's say my goal is to lose 1 pound a week. There is 3,500 calories in 1 pound. Again, 3,500 calories in 1 pound. So by the end of the week, I need to lose 3,500 calories in order for me to see a decrease of 1 pound. Change of scenery. But now that we know how much is in a pound of fat, we can describe ways how we can lose it. So there's 3 main ways. There's going to be through cardio, there's going to be through nutrition, and there's going to be through the combination of the two. Let's dive into the first one. Through cardio. So if I'm trying to lose a pound a week, I need to lose 3,500 calories altogether. So this one's unrealistic, but it's just an example. If I break it up into 7 days, I'm going to get 500 calories a day that I need to lose in order for it to make 3,500 calories a week. So if I do 7 cardio sessions of 500 calories, by the end of the week, I will have lost those 3,500 calories, which is 1 pound. That's a little unrealistic. What I do is I combine it into 3 days and I just double it, and I'll do a 600 calorie sessions or 700. I'll do whatever it takes, but I'm not doing all 7. Now method 2 is nutrition. So if I'm trying to lose my pound of fat through nutrition, I'm going to decrease my daily intake by 500 calories. So if there's 7 days in a week, because I decrease my daily intake by those 500 calories, I will have lost 1 pound by the 7th day, which is after 1 week. My daily requirement in order for me to maintain my weight is about 2,000. So for me to lose weight just by nutrition, I would need to be at 1,500. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Method number 3, the combination of the two. This is the one that I do because it's the most realistic. You guys need to be realistic with yourselves and think, how is it possible for me to lose this weight? And for me, it's through the combination of the two. So instead of decreasing my daily intake by those 500 calories, how about we just give it by half, 250? And the other 250 that we're still missing, we'll go ahead and get that through cardio. That way we don't have to do 500 calorie sessions of cardio, and we don't have to decrease our daily intake by 500. We'll just be doing 250 because we're combining the two. And at the end of the week, because we did a daily session of 250 calories of cardio, and because we cut our daily nutrition intake by those 250 calories, so if I was at 2,000, now I'm at 1,750, I will have lost that 1 pound at the end of the week. It's not hard. It's not mystical. It is science. If you guys keep trying and you're not seeing the results, that just means that your body does not burn at those amount of calories. You need to decrease it by more, whether it is through cardio, nutrition, or through both. If you guys need extra help, visit maxproportions.com. I offer online coaching. I solve the problem for you, and we work together to reach your goals. So let's not make any excuses for 2020. Let's get to our goals. Thanks for watching.